Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Salesflare account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add an admin or a team member into your Salesflare account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a team member or an admin into your Salesflare account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you probably work with a lot of different virtual assistants, and maybe you want to add them into your Salesflare to help manage your customers. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Salesflare dash. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Salesflare, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and add an admin, here on the left side, you're going to click on this little lever button down here on the bottom left. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this menu here on the left, and you want to click here on Manage Your Team. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all the team members in your account. And to add a new admin or a team member, down here on the bottom right, click on the plus icon in blue. Right next, you want to click here on Invite Team Member. Okay, so go ahead and enter in their email, and then you're going to go ahead and choose the role. If you need help defining these roles, go back and watch my other video that describes that in detail. So for today, we're going to make them an admin. Here you can add them into a specific group, and then you want to click on Invite. Once you click on Invite, they're going to receive an email so they can go ahead and being an admin in your Salesflare account. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add an admin or a team member into your Salesflare, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.